this is a really good unit, y'all. Like, look how silky it is. It's so pretty. Look at that. And these are the curls, the ones at the curls at the bottom is how it came. I just cut like some layers in the bang. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video. Okay, y'all, so I have the unit on. Shout out to Nadula. This is one of my favorite hair companies. Y'all already know that. Look at the lace. She's good. She's good. It's kind of stuck. Some of the hair is stuck to my skin, but overall good. So this is a body wave. Y'all know that it comes with the barrel curls already for you. They make these wigs easier and easier for you guys to install. Those of you that are new to wearing wigs, they're just making it super easy, and I can appreciate that, because although I love wearing my units, I've never been like good at plucking, bleaching my knots. I always will over bleach, over pluck. So when the units come plucked and the knots come dyed, I'm here for it. So they do all of that for you, and they even cut the lace. Okay, I still have to cut some of the lace off. This is a glueless unit. You don't have to use glue. I don't use glue, I use spray. And as you guys can see, my unit is on, like it's not going anywhere. So, and you can also use the tape that they provide for you. So this unit is pretty much styled, okay? You don't really have to do much. The barrel curls, this hair is so soft too, by the way. Like, look how silky this hair is. Look at this. Can y'all see that? Look how silky. Super silky and nice. So you don't really have to do anything to this unit if you don't want to. Look at that. Barrel curls straight out the box. I did not do this. This is how it came, okay? Straight out the box, super nice. So if you don't want to do anything, you don't have to. If you want to, you can. I am going to cut some layers in the bangs just to properly style it. I'm looking for my comb. I had it up here. Just to properly style it, I am going to do some layers in the front. And I'm gonna do this with my flat irons. Look at that up close. See how nice and silky that looks? So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box. I love this dress. Like, I love it. I just did this hair review. You guys probably seen it in the beginning of this video. But this is a really good unit, y'all. Like, look how silky it is. It's so pretty. Look at that. And these are the curls, the ones at the curls at the bottom is how it came. I just cut like some layers in the bang. But girl, how cute is this dress? I wish they had like a white one. I would have got it in multiple colors if it came in multiple colors, but this was the only one that they had. I still have on my Apple Watch, so try to excuse that. But girl, it's just real cute. Nadula.